Welcome back. We got a mod again the chapel. Let us read. A goal ran a chat kek jong. Ran a chat kek jong. Ran amuk tong kuyep. Ran amuk tong kuyep. Jong a rare by kek ran. Jong a rare by kek ran. Kek alayap. Kek alayap. Jong elay cham. Jong elay cham. Jong atit ok kutok. Jong atit ok kutok. Vocabulary. The vocabulary below are a chat, jong, tong, ok, tok, arer, acham, yap, yep, atit, amuk, or amuk, ok, ot, cake, ala, diet, luok, koch, tok. Okay, that is the vocabulary of this one. As you see from 1 year, Rana Chat Kek Jong mean the persons or the man is walking with the dog. Ran Amuk Tong Kuyep, the man or the person is carrying spear and axe. This one is tong mean spears. This one axe mean yep. It's spear. This one is tong ta onga tong, and this one axe mean yep. Jong rare by kegran. Jong rare by kegran mean the dog stay at home with the man or with the person. Kek alayap, they are going to hunt or they are going to kill the wild animals. They are going for hunting wild animals. Jong Elisham, the dog will kill the animals. The dog will kill the animal. Jong atit ok kutok, the dog protects the cows and goats. Okay guys, that is it. More are coming. Thank you very much. I'm William. Please like, also comment, and do me a favor to subscribe, please. And thank you very much. God bless you. William Ajak Malik Deng.